Hello, everybody. Welcome to Build Fly Go. So our finish kit has arrived. It shipped early this week, I believe Monday, and I've been tracking it with the logistics company. And I called them this morning because it had arrived in Stoughton, which is a town south of Madison, about 20 minutes, half hour south of Madison, which is where their logistics center is. And I called them and asked, is it going to be delivered today? And the answer was nope. And I just asked if I could come get it. And they said absolutely. And that I can unload it at their facility and they would take care of getting rid of the box. I suspect the super expensive plywood is going to get reused. But anyway, so we drove both cars up and managed to load everything into both cars. One of the questions I've actually been asked a couple of times, Mary gets a picture wearing the wheel pant. One of the questions I get asked a couple of times was to let people know what is missing from the finish kit when it arrives. Oftentimes, when you order one of the kits like this, there are parts that are back ordered, and Vans decides to ship you the majority of the parts instead of waiting for everything to be ready. And in this case, it looks like we're missing the engine mount and the main gear legs, which is perfectly fine. We won't need those for a while. Those are the parts that we need right there that Mary just placed on top of the crate. Those are the doors, and I suspect those doors are going to take a few weeks to possibly a couple of months to get just right. It's a lot of fiberglass work. The doors come in 2 parts per, so you have to bond them together and you have to make them fit in the hole in the canopy, and it's a lot of finesse. And we're hoping that it's not as troublesome as we've heard. We have heard some people say it takes them a while. So that is probably what we're going to be working on in the near future. We do have to finish up a couple of little things on the fiberglass top for the fuselage canopy top. And there's not a lot left there. It's just really I need to rivet the green side pieces, if you will, onto, there's the front nose gear. The green pieces on the sides aren't riveted on yet because we've been protecting them, and now they have to go on and get riveted. So that's something that we're actually hoping to do tomorrow to get that out of the way. And then we will drill the holes for the canopy top mounting and then move on to the doors and be in the finish kit finally. We got pretty lucky. All of this stuff fit. We're saving a lot of the paper here. It actually makes really good sort of masking paper and just used to cover things, especially because I suspect we might be setting up the paint booth one more time, probably this winter. But everything fit, and off we go. So a quick peek at the workshop. It's a bit of a mess. You can see sort of the green pieces on the fuselage there, which is sort of nice. So we cleaned things up a little bit, and then we started inventory. And I got you 2 camera views of the inventory here. Sorry, the time lapse is a little slow. This is 1 picture per minute. And just spread out the inventory sheets, and we unbox things and check them off. Make sure everything's there. Nothing was missing on this one, so we're pretty happy. And we just need to get going, and hopefully Vans will ship us the engine mount and gear before we need them. But yeah, we are back on track. Get moving on this airplane again. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you soon.